If you love that melt-in-your-mouth almond cookie texture, you have to try this. I swapped whole almonds for sliced ones, and the result is a game changer.
Hi everyone, I'm Pika, and welcome back to Baker Affair. Usually I have one whole almond in the center of these, but using sliced almonds gives it a toasty, nutty flavor in every single bite. I'm also going to show you my trick for keeping those sliced little thin almonds so they don't burn. So let's get started. So in a food processor, I'm going to take flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. And I'm going to give it a mix. And then I'm going to take the lard. I'm going to cut the lard into this mixture until it's crumbly like sand. And then I'm going to add the egg and some vanilla. Almond extract. Okay, so now I have the dough done. It's like you can pick it up. And I'm going to taste. So I had a little bit of a mishap somehow or another within my filming. The video got blurry. So I'm going to just give you a recap of what I did. To follow will be a little hurry up and let me get you through the little blurry pieces. And then I will show you the finished product. I rolled the balls out 1 inch, flattened them a little bit, put the almond slices in sideways. And then I put an egg wash over top of them, so that way the almonds wouldn't burn. So that's just a little tidbit. I baked them at 325 for 15, 18 minutes, and I'll see you back in a minute. Into the oven, 325, 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, so they're out of the oven and they look good. Let me show you. They look really good. And then they break. See that inside? Let me take a bite. They are so good. I hope you give them a try. Again, sorry for the mishap. And I appreciate you being here, new and old. And until next Wednesday, oh, if you would like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. And until next Wednesday, ciao.